She the Couponer here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the SHOPMAS day 3. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the holiday StarBucks for Life game for 2022. Really excited when these games come around because you can score StarBucks for free. Yes, free. So I'm going to be talking about how you can play for free, what the prizes are, and how to play. And it's completely free once again. I think most of you guys know that. I have won before. I won like a cup before last year. I win lots of stars usually. Those stars, you can get free drinks, free bakery items, and you can definitely redeem those stars for cups for free. So for this year, our prizes include the StarBucks treats for you. You can win StarBucks for life, 6 months or even a month. Then we have Delta Sky Miles. So you can win Delta Airlines flights for 2. So you can enjoy a trip for you and a friend with 2 round trip tickets from Delta Airlines. And a lot of instant prizes are a free food and a drink. So your next coffee and bakery item at participating stores could be free. Usually they just send you coupons. So it is pretty cool through your email. So all you have to do is get the cashier to scan that barcode and boom, you get it for free. There are a bunch of instant prizes that are bonus stars. So I already won 25 bonus stars. There's also a little thing you can win 1,000 bonus stars or even exclusive StarBucks for Life merchandise. So now basically the games that we have, all you really have to do is shake a globe, and just like that, it'll fill up these tokens, and each token will basically tell you what you can win and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you guys how you can complete those plays and play completely free. Now if it is your first day, it's definitely going to take a little bit more time to get those free plays, but after you do what I show you to do, all you have to do every day is just log in and shake the globe 5 times. So now let's go ahead and talk about how you can actually play for completely free. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click the link in the description to basically get to where I am, or you can just look up starbucksforlife.com and you're going to be set to this page. I already explained all of these things that I showed you guys. So then you can go ahead and click sign in and play. So then it's going to tell you to sign in or create an account. If you need to create an account, go ahead and create an account. All you're going to do is click join Starbucks reward. It is pretty easy. You don't have to blink any card, nothing like that. Just go ahead, put an email address and make a password. Now if you have an existing Starbucks account, you can just go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, and then after you click confirm, you're right here, Starbucks for Life. It tells you welcome, get ready to shake for your chance to collect and win. Shake the globe every day. So with at least 1 play a day, you can shake the snow globe to see if you've won. You should come back and play every day. Each play expires every day at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, and you can earn extra plays. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can get those plays for free. I believe we are getting 5 plays, and I'm just going to tell you guys how to get those free plays. I believe you only have to do this once. Now you may have to do it again at the beginning of the week. I'm not 100% sure. Sometimes they reset like the different kinds of goals and the different kind of games that you do have to do. That's what they did last year, but from this year it is a little bit different. I could tell. If you guys follow me, I will keep you updated on my social media and stuff on what I'm getting each day to see who's gonna win big. Definitely something really fun. So then it says here, collect lights on the string to unlock extra possible prizes. So that is something that is new. And then as you can see here, not only can you win Starbucks for Life, you can win bonus stars, exclusive merch, and free beverages and food. What are you waiting for? Let's play. So go ahead and click let's play. Then as you can see here, I'm using my boyfriend's account. We're already going to get a free play just from basically opening the game. So you're gonna go ahead, click the globe, and that globe is gonna shake around, and that is our first play everyone should have once signing in or signing up, because that is completely free. So then once I shake the globe, it is basically gonna go down anywhere and pick this little icon. It's gonna go ahead and pick a random one, and just like that, as you can see, we got this one. We got Penelope the polar bear, and we got her. So these are collect and wins, and there are a bunch of them. As you can see, Starbucks for Life, 6 months, a month, Delta flights, 1,000 stars, 500 bonus stars, all of these Mocha Master, all of these definitely funds, and then you can win instant prizes. So then I'm going to show you guys how you can get some free plays. As you can see here, we have 1 free play per day, 1 free play per day, 1 free play per day, 1 free play per day. It's going to tell you want to add money to your Starbucks account, but here you're not going to do that. It's even saying here, in order to get a free play, you got to make 7 purchases. You do not have to do that either. And there's also a game where you can score at least 4,000. You can get a free play. Now you can definitely go ahead and try that game for yourself. I did. Very hard. I can show you how to get the free plays for free. I realized that the holiday run game is actually not that bad. So basically, as you can see, I got a score of 4,826. Basically, you're just jumping. I'm using the space bar, and you don't want to hit the gumdrops, or I forget what else it is. I think it's like the mistletoe. Hit that on a phone is very hard, and I think on a computer is easy. So if you guys want to play this game, you can, but again, I'm going to show you guys how to basically get the play for completely free if you don't want to play the game. But as you guys see here, I went ahead and completed it, and then it told me to basically go ahead ahead and claim the free play. I did, and this popped up and build up like a little activity, kind of like a little poster. So I claimed that play. So let's go ahead and shake that globe. Now this is our second play out of 5 today. So let's go ahead and shake it and see what we get. We got Juniper the reindeer. So we can go ahead and claim 3 more plays. So I'm going to show you guys how. So basically on every single page on here, you could scroll all the way down and you're going to click to enter without making a purchase. Click here. Go ahead and click there. Now, as you can see, we have another way to play. You can receive bonus opportunities, earn additional plays. Next, you're going to click select a play type. Then you're going to see snag a treat, fill it up, run it out, let it snow. It doesn't matter which order you do, but for example, I'm going to click snag a treat. Then you're going to scroll down, fill out all this information. As you can see here, fill up these little pictures and then go ahead, fill them all out. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and show you what to do next. Then go ahead and click submit. So we're going to go ahead and click submit. Then it's going to tell you to check your inbox. So basically the email that you signed up with, go ahead and check that email because they sent a link to claim our play. So then we're going to go ahead, open a new tab and go ahead and open up that email. So it's going to say StarBucks rewards, StarBucks for life. You completed a challenge, it's going to ask you to play and basically claim your activity. So I'm going to go ahead and click claim your activity. It's going to open up to our webpage and then it tells you you have a claim available. So we're going to go ahead and claim that. How are we going to claim that? You're going to go ahead and click earn more plays per day. And as you can see here, the one we just did, snag a treat, we're going to go ahead and click a claim our activity. Like that, it's going to fill it up. I showed you guys how to do this one for the holiday run is you could just play the game or you can go down here and click it and you can go ahead and click holiday run and basically fill it out again. And when you guys want to do the other ones, you're going to go ahead, click fill it up, fill this out again. And then when you're done, go ahead, check your email, claim your play. Then you're going to change this to let it snow and you're going to fill this all out again and then submit it and claim it through your email. I'm going to go ahead and do all of that. All right guys, so I claimed all of my free plays. So I actually have one left that I have to claim. As you can see here, click to claim your activity. Now, as you can see, we completed all of the activities and this is actually a wallpaper. So if you want to go ahead, you can go here, download it phone. Pretty cute. Now we're going to go ahead and play those globes. I already showed you the first 2 that I played. We got a free one. Then we got the other one, which was this one, our first free play. Next, we have these 3 free plays. Now, all you had to do again, like I said, was fill out that form 4 times for 4 free plays. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and play the globes. I'm going to shake them. As you can see here, we're just going to click it and shake. So let's see what I got. So we got that StarBucks for life as our free play. Then I got a Delta flight. And then I got one for 500 bonus stars. And I got the cold brew kit. And then I did win an instant prize of 25 stars. So it says it'll be loaded to my account within the next 24 hours. Usually you'll get an email within like 3 minutes, 2 minutes really when getting this. And it goes right into your account right away. So that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure you can get like a free pump or whatever. But usually what I like to do is save my stars until I get like 400 or 150 to get a free drink or a free StarBucks merchandise. So it is pretty fun. That is basically it for this game. You guys, on the next day, like I said, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and just subscribe here on my TikTok and that stuff because I will definitely try to keep you guys updated on what I get every day. But basically for the next days, it's going to be pretty easy. Just go and get to starbucksforlife.com. Then on this page, you're going to see the globe and it's going to say that you have 5 free plays available. And just like that, you don't have to fill out any forms again because we already did it once. So then you're going to go ahead and just shake those globes and you'll get 5 plays a day. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I personally love when the StarBucks holiday comes around because we can get free gift cards, free stars, free food, all of that good stuff. So like I said, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Sophia the Couponer, and at TikTok, Sophia the Couponer. And of course, subscribe here to my YouTube channel, Sophia the Couponer, because I will keep you guys updated on what I get every single day. And I want to know what you guys get every single day. It would be so amazing to hear if one of you guys got super lucky and won StarBucks for life or even that merchandise pack. That is definitely something that I am looking forward to. Even those Delta flights sound pretty nice, but basically this game will end at January 1st. So don't worry, you have all month to get free stars, free coupon codes, and maybe even some free StarBucks for life. So that is it for today's video, you guys. SHOPMAS day 3 complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about this game down in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on a SHOPMAS day 4 tomorrow. Bye!